Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about that how to drop any domain data type. Okay, we know that these data type are data type we have created address, email, postal code, valid color. That's all. Okay, for the for dropping the drop domain and the domain name and as the data type was the command for creating a data type and for dropping no drop domain no there is a create keyword here. Drop domain and domain name. Domain name is support for positive numeric positive numeric. This was the syntax and but let's try direct by deleting a existing data type. Okay, it gives us an error. Cannot drop data type or type positive because other object depend on it. Column vnum of table sample depend on positive numeric. Oh really? Let's see. Sample table. Select star from sample. Oh, here you can see that the samples vnum integer is depend on this positive numeric. It tells that. So if we want to delete this, we cannot do this, and it tells that use cascade to delete depending object too. So here, if I use a cascade keyword, cascade, then it will delete depending object to mean it will delete a sample table from the database or the column of vnum from the sample table, so that we cannot use this cascade and don't use this in production environment. So be careful about this using cascade and other rather than using cascade, do it like suppose the table color. Select star from color. Here you can see that the color is red, but if I use drop domain valid color, here you can see that the valid color domain name is and cascade, then it will delete whole table from the database because it depend on it. So for this I am going to change the data type of this. We can do it with the help of queries that alter table color, alter column colors type and the new data type. Suppose varchar 50. But let's do it with the help of, and we can do it with the help of direct pgadmin tool too. Suppose the color table is here, and inside this the column is the color, and inside this if I go to properties and definition, then here I can change the similar data type to valid color. Suppose varchar, it not showing me, but here you can see that varchar 50 varchar. Oh, it not showing me. So now we need to do it with the help of query. Oh, varchar 50. Let's save it. Yes. Now go to properties again and check the definition character varying and the length is 50. Yes, that's it. We have changed data type. Now if I delete this using a simple drop command, drop domain valid color, then it not giving me an error. Valid color, the domain query done successfully means the domain is deleted. If I go in domain section and refresh this, the valid color is deleted. Valid color domain is deleted. If I check the data of my table, you can see that the table value, table column and value are remains as it is because I had changed the data type. Now again I can create a domain and change the data type to that a specific valid color domain. That's all about dropping a domain. Thank you.